Welcome back. Very quickly, how do we assemble parts using the origin planes? Not straightforward, but it has a trick. When I have two parts that needs to be mated by using the assembly origins, or no, let's say the origin of the parts themselves, we need to click here on Show, click on Coordinate Systems, and it is going to show up the origin of the part. So if you are designing something at the origin, it is going to work for you. What you need to do is to leave the mouse at the position. Well, in this case, I have stuff on the way, so I have to wait for the quick pick to be available and then right click. Click the plane that says base, which is the origin one. Now you need to pick the other part, and now you need to click again on the coordinate system. So it is going to let you pick the origins that you want. Now right click, and there you go. You can finish up doing the rest of the mate. And if you need to click on again the origin planes, they are going to be available, at least at the part that you're placing. At the other one, you need to pick the part and select the origin. Well, in this case, I can use the origin of the assembly itself. All right, so once the part is defined, we are going to have it on constant color, let's say not transparent as it was previously. One extra thing to do could be run a little bit of analysis for collisions. So on the top inspect, you are going to have the check interferences. You need to pick one set, then jump into select the other one, then process, and unable to write report file. I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. It's not fair. Who knows why? Let's take a look. So do not generate the report, it's okay. Interfering volumes, yeah, show. Select all the parts on the assembly, it's okay for me. Okay, so let's go process, and there we have our collisions. In this case is a small amount of material that I need to verify why they are colliding. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice one. Cheers.